guys, in today's video we have something different we're doing today, because today we're doing an unboxing of the Yokai watch Model 0, since I just love Yokai watch and I finally got the Model 0, so of course I want to unbox it. But first we've got these two medals that I got from one of the blind bags, so we're going to be opening them. I'm going to move that out of the way. Also, at some point I could do an unboxing of these, which would be pretty cool. Okay, so anyway, we got these. We're gonna cut this in half. Okay, here is the first medal. I'm not quite sure what this Yokai is, but it'll be. It looks a bit ugly, but I think it'll be fine. This is the next one. I think it's washing gun. The evolution of that one Yokai you get at the start of Yokai Watch 2, which makes sense because this is what the watch is from. Now, you've seen the medals. I'm going to place them there. Time for the Model 0. I'm going to move this back a bit. Okay. I need to figure out how to unbox it. Some sellotape there. One slightly damaged box later, and now we've got this. The Yokai watch. Oh, sorry. The Yokai watch Model 0. So it's got a sellotape torn box. Medals. So, we've got the medals. Why is it escaping me? So, here's one of the medals we get with the Model 0. This is Come On, Come On. It's a pretty cool medal, but not as cool as one we're going to get with the watch, like in the watch. First, we've got some cutting to do. Okay, and here is the watch with Chibanyan in it. Who is the main medal I want to focus on? Just look at this little goober. He's such a little goober. Don't you just love the Chibanyan? You know, I love the Chibanyan. Chibanyan, Chibanyan. Okay. Oh, time for the actual watch itself. This watch is a pretty cool watch. But, I don't know, who thought it was a good idea to make you have to cut that much just to get it out of the box? Like, this is definitely not a kid's toy. I mean, it is, but not for kids to open. Oh, it's also got the little search thing. I think it's a bit low on batteries, I think, so I might have to sort that out. Yeah, I'll go sort that out now. Okay, and now the Model 0 has been put on. Let me do a thing for it. This is the Model 0. I probably shouldn't have put it on my wrist, but yeah, this is the Model 0. It actually has two settings. I don't know if you can see there. For if you're doing the summoning or maybe like the thing. Okay, so we've got that, and we're putting in. Wait, pull this back to the start, and we're gonna put in Chibanyan. Start with that. I'm going to take it off my wrist because this is very uncomfortable. Okay, this is a lot better. So, you've got your thing at the bottom there, your medal in. Now what you do, you want to turn it to the right. Okay, I messed up. Okay, let me try this again. Turn to the right. And that's the summoning. Then you can turn it over here. And that's where you'll say his classic, Chibanyan! And then this, you flick that and he says it. And then there's also another mode. Put it down like that. And that's where he does the projection, or whatever. But it is too bright for us to see that at the moment, so we will have to wait later on until it's dark, and then we'll do it. That is such a bad name! Okay, I'll do a cut when it's darker, and then I will do all the projection things with her. Okay. Yeah, there's two modes. There's the summoning mode on O, the normal mode just on X for like doing the... But you can also, without the medals in it, you can do the... Very skibbity, very toilet.